Winter treks are a gateway into the Himalayan winter wonderland. The hikes in the winter are best for beginners, kids, and even for people of all ages. Easy hikes, knee-deep snow to play in, also fewer days of trekking, no more than 12,000 feet of height. It is sheltered by forest and thus less exhaustion. All of this means less chances of AMS. It also means walking the fairyland for real, with one exception though: walking on a frozen river through Chadar trek. So, which is your next winter trek?